Hello, my name is Ty, and I am the president and founder of NAAC. We are a conservation nonprofit agency in New Jersey. We at NAAC offer a program called Community Solar through Eversolar. How it works. Eversolar builds community solar farms on warehouse rooftops across New Jersey, helping to preserve open space and farmland. They send the power produced from these projects into the grid and receive solar credits. When you become a subscriber, they apply these solar credits to your monthly utility bill. You pay this discounted utility bill through your same utility provider, no sign-up or cancellation fees. Thanks to the New Jersey energy policy, subscribers are guaranteed to save on their electricity costs. Subscribe today in just minutes. They'll send you a $50 Amazon or Visa gift card to get your savings started right away. No solar equipment or credit check needed. Subscribe today as spaces are limited. Please visit our website, saveenergynj.com.